Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have an example based on polymorphism with notifications. So in Python program. So basically we are going to just create out two classes here for getting the notifications. One would be SMS and one would be email. So both of the classes would be having a similar method of notification. Okay, and I need to just access out that similar naming classes with the help of normal class. Okay, so that is going to be a concept of polymorphism, that similar classes, similar functions are going to be processed out within different classes. Let's just create a class here for email, and here I am just going to have a method that is going to be notify. So I'm just going to give the name as notify here. It's going to just take a self parameter and a message variable, right? And here I'm just simply going to print out that I can just say that sending email simply, and like going to just give the message. Else I can create a new class of SMS. Let's have a different, actually the same function, okay, with the name as self parameter and a message parameter, going to print out simply sending SMS. Message parameter has passed out for getting the value. I'm going to create here a normal method which is a send method, which is going to take the two parameters as service comma message, and we are going to just actually call here with the help of service, going to call the notify method, going to give the simply message variable, and simply like going to just call my send message, method, with email function of class I need to just access, and I can just again call out my send method to call my SMS class method. So you can see here we have created out two different classes, and here let's just try to get the error first of all, that we need to give some message here, of course. Let's say meeting at 3 p.m. okay. Else here we can give, of course, battery low. So the parameters was missing, that's why we were just not getting the answers. So we just got that sending email, meeting at 3 p.m, sending SMS, battery low. What we did basically, we have created out two different classes with a similar method, which is going to just take the two similar parameters, okay. So message will go here and here as well, same thing. Just created out a new method with the service and message parameter. Now from this method I am going to call out my notify method with the message parameter, okay. As I am just going to call my normal sending message, sending method. So this, in this parameter I have passed out a class of a function, and the data I have given out nothing but the message whatever I have given out here, right. So you can just simply do it for SMS class as well, and that's how the notify is being similar with both of the classes. By the help of polymorphism, we are trying, like, we just got the answer for two different classes with a similar method. So yeah, thank you so much.